Hello guys, and welcome back to my ratchet salon because you guessed it, I am gonna be bleaching my hair today again. Last time I did a ratchet salon thing, it was a long time ago and I said that I wasn't gonna do it ever again, and I actually had to get my hair done professionally after that. But you know what? It's quarantine, I have nothing to do in my house, and yeah, why not? What's the worst thing that will happen? I'm gonna tell you right now. The worst thing that will happen is that 1, my hair looks orange. 2, my hair looks like shit. And 3, which is the worst, is that my hair falls out. So like about a week ago, I posted an Instagram story asking people what they thought about their front streaks. And most of the people say no. Like 40% say yes, so that means that 40% of people like it. But to all the people who say no, psych, I am doing it anyways. Actually, I don't know if I'm doing it because I'm really scared that it's gonna look like shit, and then they're like right in front of my, like here, you know, like everyone can see it. But who is gonna see it? It's quarantine. I'm not gonna go anywhere. You're not gonna go anywhere. No one's gonna see it anyways. Who cares, right? It's just hair. It grows back. But what if it falls? I'm gonna literally be bald, like in the 2 front streaks of my hair. So you know what? I decided that maybe I am just gonna go for the middle ground. It's not too out there, but it's also here enough to be noticeable and to make a video out of it. Last time I did it, I remember it was a lot of work. Hopefully I'm better at it this time because that was my first time doing it, and this time it's my second time. So hopefully I know how to do it. But then I will look something like, that doesn't look terrible. I look like a teenager. My life. I guess like it will be like this part. That wouldn't make any difference, would it? But the thing is that, listen, okay, hear me out on this one. If I only bleach this part, and because I'm not a hairdresser whatsoever and I have no clue what I'm doing, and it falls out, it's not terrible. I could rock one of those, like, you know, side shave things. Let's just fucking get started. Now, don't come at me because I know 40 developer is pretty high up. I know, but I couldn't find any other one. And this is the one I have left from last time I did my hair. So I'm just gonna use this one. It's up to 6 levels. 6 levels? Yeah, it lifts all the levels and then your hair just falls out. Let's get down to business and defeat my very dark hair, but specifically blue bleach, because blue is supposed to be against the orange and give me a more neutral blonde, technically. But we know that's not gonna happen. I guess at this point, the only other thing to do is to put it on my hair, right? I'm really scared. It's okay, it's just hair, whatever. Here we go. There we go. I really don't know how to do this in a way that is practical. Dude, it's not your turn yet. I'm just gonna hold this in, pull this to the side. And with that, I just want to remind you that I am not a professional. I am done. I have these 4 little strandy things. I look so stupid. Last time when I got my hair done at the salon, she left it for, I think it was like half an hour. It was like pretty much blonde already. I don't know how she did it though. Maybe this time it will work the same, you know? I just hope that if it doesn't work, it's not because my hair fell out and because it's orange. Because that's fine. I can live with orange. I can even bleach it again, like in a week. But if my hair falls out, I don't have anything else to bleach. If this doesn't work and my hair falls out, I'm going bald. Joanna did it and she looked amazing. Oh shit, that looks pretty blonde. Like if you look at my hair in the back, which is blonde, it's kind of the same already. Oh, what? What? I was like yellow. If I leave it more time, will it go lighter or will it fall out? That's the question. I think I'm gonna take it out. I'm not gonna play with the devil today. We're just gonna do it. We're just gonna take it out. Oh no, this is so orange. I thought you were yellower than this. Fuck, I should have left it longer. What? How in the... Oh my gosh. Okay, now I gotta do the roots. I should have left it longer. Why am I such a scared little bit? Hopefully the toner will do its magic. It's not gonna do its magic. I know for sure because I've seen the videos. After this, that's it. It's a little thinner, but it's not like falling. I just don't know if I should try and go for another round of bleach. This orange kind of looks like James Charles orange hair and I don't like that. My head hurts hurts so much right now. You can still tell the difference between like the roots and the hair. I think we're gonna make it happen. It's so orange. Why did I do this to myself? Like, I want to know, what do the hair salon people do to make it not be orange? I'm using the Wella T18 because everyone uses that one, so I'm gonna use that one. Actually, I could paint it purple. Like, it's not even that bad. I decided to go get myself a drink because as if it wasn't enough with all those fumes and how high I am, I still need a drink after this mess. I just want to be in a zone where if this doesn't work out, I don't hate myself for it. 30 minutes are up and it's time to see this bad boy. Make your bets right now. Is it gonna work? My bet is gonna be purple in the bottom because it's gonna be overtone, and then orange in the top because it's not gonna do anything against that orange. The top part, it's completely freaking orange. Feel like I could have left the toner on top a little more. I'm just gonna put some of the blue shampoo, then I'm gonna put some Olaplex, and then I guess you'll see me after I wash my hair tomorrow. I'm just putting a bunch of it like it's a toner and it's shampoo, so it's gonna be a pain to wash. I'm just putting all my hopes on this shampoo and that it's gonna work. The yellow, it is brassy yellow. Is it terrible? Yes. Is it manageable? Yes. Should I bleach it again? Probably yes. Do I have time to bleach it again today? No. And do I want to burn my hair off? No. I don't know why in my mind I feel like it will start to fade on its own. But like, the reality is that it's just gonna be orange. I bet you thought I was over it, but I am not. So it turns out right after I finished this video and I said, it's okay, I'll just figure it out tomorrow. Well, I started, doing some research online about how to get rid of this brassiness. And they were like, oh, use the T18 Wella toner, it works magic. It didn't work for me, as you guys can see. But I saw this one girl who used Manic Panic. So I just hopped into the car, drove all the way to Choppers, like 50 minutes before it closed, got the Manic Panic, run back to the car, and get home. And of course, I had to wash my hands. Says to mix it with conditioner. So they really didn't use much of the Manic Panic. They just put like a little bit on it to make it purple. I really hope it doesn't just dye my hair purple. That's how much of the Manic Panic I put in. It turns out that the one girl that I watched first did it for 20 minutes and the girl that I watched after did it for 40 minutes. So I really don't know if I should leave it longer or if I should not. Oh my goodness, it is purple. It's so purple. And some parts of it actually did turn out kind of ashy. So I'm gonna apply my Olaplex back on again and I'm gonna wash it out tomorrow and then see how it ends up being after I dry it. Hello guys, it has been now 3 days since I did my hair and let me tell you, it was a journey because this purple will not leave my head. It literally took not 1, not 2, but 3 washes with blue shampoo in order to try and get rid of the brassiness, and then 2 washes with baking soda and shampoo mixed together in order to get rid of the purple. So that was 5 washes in total in the same day. Thank goodness I didn't do it all over my head. I just did it like on this little side, and then I did like 3 mask treatments because I didn't want my hair to fall out. So now it's a little bit more manageable. Now it's not as brassy and it's not purple anymore, which is a big improvement. It does look a little more brassy on the camera than it does on real life, but it is still a little brassy in general because if you compare it to the tips of my hair that are a little more ashy and neutral, the roots are still a little brassy. But it's not terrible and I really like the look. I think that it would look better if my tips weren't blonde. If my whole hair was brown and I just had like this stripe of blonde, it would look more stunning, I feel like. I'll probably bleach it again probably in the future because I don't want to deal with bleaching again anytime soon. I'm thinking that maybe I could dye my whole hair brown, but that's a story for another time because I don't want to deal with that right now. It's still a little brassy, I know, but it's not terrible. I feel like it still looks pretty good. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of this look and the video, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video.